Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Voila Skillet Meals. First, gather your essential tools: a large non-stick skillet, a sturdy spatula, and of course, your chosen Voila frozen meal. It's crucial that your meal remains completely frozen until you're ready to cook it. This ensures proper cooking and food safety. Clear your stovetop and have everything within easy reach, making the cooking process smooth and enjoyable from the very beginning. Now, let's get cooking. Place your large non-stick skillet on the stovetop and preheat it over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures the pan is hot enough for even cooking. Carefully empty the entire contents of the Voila bag directly into the hot skillet. Use your spatula to break up any large frozen clumps of food. This step is important for uniform thawing and cooking, preventing some parts from overcooking while others remain frozen. Once the contents are in the skillet, cover it with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After this initial period, reduce the heat to a medium setting. Continue cooking, stirring every 1 to 2 minutes. This consistent stirring helps distribute the heat and ensures all ingredients, especially the protein and vegetables, cook evenly and thoroughly. Keep an eye on the sauce as it begins to thicken. Continue cooking until the sauce is bubbling vigorously and the internal temperature of the protein, such as chicken or beef, reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it's safe to eat. Once cooked, remove the skillet from the heat and let it rest for just 1 to 2 minutes. This brief resting period allows the flavors to meld and the sauce to set slightly. Serve your delicious, easier-to-prepare Voila Skillet meal immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.